Hello students, welcome to our class. Hope you are all pretty good. I believe that you all have enjoyed the recitation and explanation of the poem The Town Child and the Country Child. I know very well you are eager to know what am I going to teach today. Let us commence. You might have got an idea by going through this slide. What is this? The first unit in our index page. Until now we have completed reading A, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse, poem The Town Child and the Country Child. Now we are going through extensive reading C, The New Blue Dress. What is the meaning of the word extensive reading? It is way of language learning with pleasure to enhance your vocabulary. Means to develop your skills related to vocabulary to communicate well. The title of the lesson, The New Blue Dress. Extensive reading. Read the following story, The New Blue Dress. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909. What is the name of the season? Spring. The name of the city mentioned here, Cleveland, in 1909. It is located in USA, United States of America. By this you might have got an idea. This is a real story. It did not change Gates Avenue. What did not change Gates Avenue? Even though the spring has come, people who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. The surrounding areas which are very near to Gates Avenue, they have started making gardens as it is the suitable time for doing such kind of activities. As it is spring season, but there is no change or variation in Gates Avenue. Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly, not at all nice to see. Pretty and ugly are antonyms or opposites. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Even though it is a very short street, it seemed so longer as it is very long street, as it looks very dirty. Most of the families who lived there had very little money, means they are very poor. They never expected to have more also. They don't have any sort of expectations that they should earn more, They did not think any time like that. Picture related to spring children. You can imagine the situation by going through this. The surrounding areas near to Gates Avenue were very beautiful like this. Just imagine the locality or area Gates Avenue. It was so dirty. Their houses had not been painted in many years. From long time onwards, they did not paint their houses and they did not have running water. The street itself was very ugly too. Street was not at all nice to see. There was no pavement, no footpath, no street light, and the railway track which is located at the end of the Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. The other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. So in the spring season, who all come to school, the students, they have put on the new dress except a little girl. Who is that? We'll see. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the same dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Worn. Everyone has put on new dress except the little girl. She had put on the same dress what she used to wear in winter. Probably, maybe. That was the only dress she wore. I think she don't have any other dress other than this. That's why she had put on the same dress even in the spring season also at the time of coming to school. Her teacher was very unhappy. Why was she unhappy? The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. The little girl was very nice. She has a good attitude. She was always friendly and polite. She respects everyone. She helps everyone. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. Her face was not at all nice and she did not comb her hair also. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. Anyone can understand very easily. Even though she looks very dirty, she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. If she dresses neatly, she looks so pretty. One day the teacher advised the girl, won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that for me. Please do that just for me. The teacher advised the child, please wash your face neatly and comb your hair very neatly before you come to school tomorrow. You do for me as I love you a lot. As I love you a lot, you do that and come neatly to school. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. So she has followed or obeyed her teacher's words, and she has washed her face and combed her hair very neatly and came to school. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress. Now, my dear little girl, ask your mother to wash your dress. Let her wash your dress very neatly, then you look very beautiful. But did her mother accept and wash the dress? Do you think did it happen like that? No. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. She has continued to put on the same dress at the time of coming to school. Her mother is probably not interested in her. The teacher thought. Here, thought is the past tense form of think. What did the teacher think, or how did she understand? She understood her mother is not interested, maybe not interested in taking care of this all. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. Here in this picture you can understand very easily. She bought a bright blue dress and gifted to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly, surprisingly, with a lot of excitement, and rushed home and went home very fast. Then what happened? See children, here you can go through the railway track or railroad and imagine the atmosphere of Gates Avenue as mentioned in our story. Little girl. Here, conversation is going on between the teacher and the little girl. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. Next morning what happened? She has put on the new blue dress, her face and hair, everything was very neat. So she told her teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. She has started sharing her feelings with a lot of enthusiasm with her teacher. My dear teacher, my mother was unable to believe by looking at me in this new dress as I am looking so beautiful to her eyes. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. My father did not see me still because he was not there at home when I got ready or when I got dressed. So he will see me today night at the time of supper. Supper means night meal. What do we have at home? Wasn't. heal. If you see here, wasn't is the contracted form of was not. He will. Here they have given in contracted form or short form. Okay, children, these already we have learnt in our 6th class also. Try to recall and remember them. She was full of excitement. Little girl was so excited. When her father saw her in her new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. So even father was shocked by looking at her in a new blue dress, and he started feeling, I have a very beautiful girl. God has gifted me a beautiful girl. He started feeling very happy. Then what happened? When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So he was shocked and felt surprised that there was a cloth on the kitchen table. It did not happen earlier until now. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We are going to begin to be tidier here. His wife said, tidier, tidy, tidier, tidiest. Positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Here they have given comparative degree. We are going to be very neat from today onwards. Why? What's the reason? I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. I am feeling shameful. I felt shameful to be very dirty when our daughter is very neat. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. She has started washing the kitchen floor also. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Silently started observing what's going on. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. He started repairing the fence. Why? The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. With the help of his daughter and wife, he started planting the saplings. During the following week, next week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. The neighbors started watching what's happening, what are they doing. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. The neighbors also started observing. They also want to be very neat, and they have started painting their house for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. So, young minister of a church near Gates Avenue, he passed in that street and he saw the people of these two houses were working a lot. These two men are working a lot to make their surroundings and house very clean. Surroundings near to their house. For the first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue, no street light and no running water. Footpath, street light, water supply, these facilities are not there in Gates Avenue. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help, the minister thought. What did the minister think? He thought they deserve help. We should help them, as they're trying to be very neat. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them. He has asked some of the important citizens, means rich people who have the attitude of helping the poor, and they also responded in a positive way. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. Footpath is there, street lights on the corner, and the houses had running water. 6 months after, the little girl got her new blue dress, one more pair of dress. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street, very neat and beautiful street where respectable citizens lived. They have started leading their life in a better manner. When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Campaign means what, children? What is the meaning of the word campaign? Can you guess? a series of planned activities to do something. Here they have mentioned the meaning of the word campaigns in your glossary also. Voluntarily they have started cleaning the areas. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? Really, the teacher did not expect such a kind of drastic changes in their life will occur or happen due to the gift offered by the teacher to the little girl. Here, glossary, the meanings of the difficult words that we have come across in the story. Go through them and learn very well. They have mentioned the parts of speech of the words also. Remember them. Those will be useful and helpful to you at the time of answering grammatical exercises, not only in your textual grammar but also in your grammar and more. One moment of realization can change your whole life. Who got this one moment of realization? The parents of the little girl. Then that realization spread to the neighbors of the Gates Avenue also. Like that, it has changed their whole life, complete life. Answer the following questions, children. These questions answers are there in your material. First, go through the story in the textbook and then go through the material, learn them, write one time in your notebook. Here, they have given a paragraph. Go through this paragraph very carefully. Breakfast is important. Why the breakfast is important? What is the reason? Why should we have breakfast every day? To maintain balanced diet. Okay, so to maintain balanced diet, to lead a healthy life, everyone should have breakfast. Here they have given in a very beautiful manner. Go through this, try to understand, and not only understanding, you have to share the essence of having breakfast every day with the members of your family also. You know very well, children, health is wealth. Precautions to be taken to avoid corona.